Hey guys, welcome to Steam, Condensate and Feedwater System Part 1. As you can see on the screen right now, we will be discussing about the Steam system in Part 1, when we will also have a Part 2 of this series where we will be discussing about the Condensate and Feedwater system. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video.
We are going to learn about Steam system on board. Most importantly, we need to know the uses of steam on board. First of all, steam is used as oil purifiers on vessels. Other than that, it is also used to supply power for the steam powered engine. Steam is also used for hot water supply at accommodation. Other than that, steam is also useful for the steam powered windlass operation. They are also used for galley steam supply and on deck, for example, to clean the oil tanker's tank. And now we are going to see how steam is produced on board. Most steam propulsion systems uses a boiler to produce steam. The boiler burns the fuel and then transfers the heat produced into circulating boiler water. Once the water is heated sufficiently, it vaporizes into steam and can be used to power a steam engine that produces the mechanical energy that propels the ship. So here we can see a simple video on how boiler works on board. This is also shows how steam is produced inside it. After that, we are going to see about types of boiler. First of all, water tube boiler. Here is the diagram of a water tube boiler. In a water tube boiler, burning gases travel through the heat exchange passes of the boiler, through the large open combustion chamber and back through the narrower parts of tubes. These gases heat the water inside the tubes as the water circulates in the tubes from the lower mud drum up to the steam drum. Next, we are going to see about the fire tube boiler. A fire tube boiler is a type of boiler in which hot gases pass from a fire through one or more tubes running through a sealed container of water. The heat of the gases is transferred through the walls of the tubes by thermal conduction, heating the water and ultimately creating steam. Next, we are going to learn how does a boiler work. A basic boiler is a machine with the simplest arrangement of the internal parts. The main job of a boiler is to make high pressure steam. The feed water supplied to the boiler drum utilizes the heat of the energy released by burning the fuel. This energy of the burning fuel is stored in the form of steam in the high pressure and high temperature. The fuel is burned in a combustion chamber inside the boiler. To attain high efficiency and complete combustion, air is supplied to this combustion chamber through a separate arrangement. The heat generated in this combustion chamber is transferred to the water from the boiler drum through a large surface area, which enables the highest rate of energy transfer. Now, lastly, we are going to see about role of exhaust gas economizer ECG in steam production. The exhaust gas economizer in a ship is like a huge heat exchange that exchanges heat between exhaust gas from engines to water and produces steam for the same purpose that auxiliary boilers produce steam.
So guys, there you have it, a video about the Steam system. I hope the information we shared would be beneficial to you, and please tune in to part 2 of our series where we will be discussing about the condensate and feed water system. Till then, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon.